Okay guys, hope you're well. I'm going to go back to the answers hub. This one is probably relatively easy. It's not necessarily to do with trading, it's more to do with formatting my spreadsheet. You'd like to know if there's an easy way to change the tool spreadsheet to reflect dollar values rather than pounds. So let's salute to Alan there. It's not as difficult as you think. Now I've just pulled up an extra one and I'll actually drop these into the tools as well. Just for those who are watching, if you don't know what this is a journal that I use that helps me understand how the market is operating. It goes January through to December. What it does, it's a very simple process. It works out bid sizes for me, works all sorts of different things. But ultimately all it's doing is, if I started with say 500, you should see that it will populate right through, and it does. So if I go to June, there you go. If you get some profit into it for whatever reason, you'll see it start up populating. It'll start telling you roughly what's going on. If you're on a pounder point, there you are. It'll tell you what your average pip count is, average wins, blah, 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 blah. There's plenty of videos on it. Anyway, the question is, how do I turn it from a pound into say a dollar sign? It's not as difficult as you think. And you can do it really quickly by doing all of it. All you need to do is click the first tab, press the shift button, and then press the last tab that you want to do. So there it is there. So I'll do it again just so you can kind of see it. Just press escape and just change that over. So highlight the first one, shift, that's like the arrow pointing up on your keyboard. Press that one, highlights them all. Press this button in the top corner. It's the one above the 1 and between the A. It'll select the entire sheet. Click a cell and ask it to format, just like so. Go to currency. It's telling you how many decimal points there is. And then when it says symbol, just drop it down to whatever symbol you want. There's hundreds of them. Doesn't matter what it is, whether you want the American dollar, Spanish, Euro, you name it. The symbol is in here. Now you were Australian, so there's the Australia. So we'll click that, click OK, kaboom. It's all changed now to dollars. The only downside is you would have to do that separately, okay, which is the graph. But other than that, it'll flick in and then there you go. And if we go to June where I was placing them numbers in, dollar, dollar, and everything there on should be dollars. There we go. So quick and easy one for you. But if you want to see it in dollars, just let me know. I can quickly alter it for you and resend it to you. It's not a problem. Or I'll just drop it in the tools so you can download it as and when. So I hope that helps. So catch you soon, guys.